It is said that the best investment in life is health. Advances in medicine increase our life expectancy, but our bodies still age and our quality of life still declines. For some people, this decline in quality of life is not only a consequence of aging, but also of injuries, accidents, or genetic issues. At REGEMAT, we manufacture bioreactors and 3D bioprinting systems that are currently used in 29 countries. These devices represent cutting-edge technology for the regeneration of cartilage, meniscus, muscle tissue, and spinal cord. Since the establishment of our company in 2015, our turnover has grown year by year, and we have developed 4 business lines. According to the Markets and Markets report of September 2019, the 3D bioprinting market is projected to reach $1,647.4 million by 2024, at a compound annual growth rate of 20.4% between 2019 and 2024. In 2020, we reached the first of 3 financing milestones proposed in 2019. We closed our first equity funding round, which increased our worth of €500,000 in 2015 to €15 million. This funding round allowed us to develop 2 new lines of bioreactors, essential devices for the maturation of cell cultures for biofabrication. At the beginning of 2022, we will initiate our second equity financing round that will allow us to drive revenue growth and continue with technology development and the introduction of new models of our systems. The time is now. Join us in our second milestone and invest in REGEMAT 3D to help change the lives of many people around the world, including yours. Invest in REGEMAT 3D. Invest in the future of your health.